Hello everyone! Today I'd like to introduce a UFO LED high bay light. It features big angle of 60, 90, 12 degree, providing a uniform and bright illumination that easily covers the entire work area. It can be installed via a suspension or bracket mounting, and it's available in various power options from 60W to 300W. We offer a 5 years warranty. Furthermore, this light is robust and durable, suitable for damp environments, and has a lifespan of over 15,000 hours. This light is suitable for factories, warehouse, indoor stadiums, supermarkets, and other locations. If you are interested in a specific model or specific locations, simply tell us your site requirements, and we will recommend the appropriate solution for you.